everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my March 2021 update for the Panner's Pan. This is a project that was created by Elizabeth Liz Cookie Pans on Instagram. She is only on Instagram. I'm going to have her channel listed below if you want to check her out. There's tons of people that are doing it. This is hashtag Panner's Pan. And let's see, this started September of last year. I think it was last year. I can't remember now. I didn't put the year on my spreadsheet. I usually do that, but you know how that goes with me. So yeah, this is all about paying homage to your favorite panners, whether they're big channels, little channels. It doesn't really matter. It's people that you watch and appreciate, and you just pick a product to match that panner for whatever reason that you choose. It doesn't have to be logical to anyone else. It just has to make sense to you. And I think it was originally set at 10 people. Some people are doing less, some people are doing more. Paula is crazy. She is doing it progressive where she adds a new person in every month no matter what. Love my Paula though. So, she does her thing, which is kind of cool that we can really make this our own and stay within the rules, so to speak. There's no real hard and fast rules to it. So if this sounds like something that you want to do, by all means, please join in. Pick your favorite panners, pick a product for each of them, and have at it. I have this one piece of hair that is just doing its own thing. So yeah, I'm doing 10 people at a time just because, it seemed like a nice round number. So yeah, I went with that. I actually have an empty this month. It makes me happy. If you hear that dinging, I cannot reach my iPad. It's off to the side, and people are texting me, so that just happens. So yeah, an empty for Paula, the crazy girl. I knew this was going to be done. I knew it. This is the Bath & Body Works White Ginger and Amber Shower Gel. Oddly enough, she picked the exact same fragrance for me in her intro, but she is doing the body spray. It's so funny, and it's such a lovely smell. I mean, it's so appropriate because Paula's such a lovely girl, so pick a lovely smell. And it's so funny that we picked the same thing for each other, and they're both incredibly old. We both have a lot of old stuff. Go figure. All right, so I will be rolling in a new panner this month and a new product, but I will get that at the end. I'm going to go through everything else that is continuing on in this project, and I'm going to start with my girl Amanda. I mean, of course, everyone always puts me and Amanda together. It's just we're like peanut butter and jelly, I guess. I don't know. This is the Max Azria BCBG, or BCBG Max Azria. It is a perfume that she sent me. She is a perfume addict, and I kind of am as well. I'm all about the smells. I barely used any progress on this. I was at the purple, now I'm at the pink, and part of it is because that big old gallon of the body spray that I'm working on, plus I've been working on some other scents, one that I wanted to finish, and I did, and I was split in time, so I will probably pick up the pace on this for this next month. But when you're trying to finish something off, other things tend to go by the wayside. I'm not mad at it. I really enjoy that fragrance, and I think it's going to be so much better once spring hits, because it's such a light, fruity, floral kind of scent. It's just a young, vibrant scent, and it's going to be perfect for spring. Next, of course, is Liz, who is Cookie Pans. I put in the Bare Minerals Blue Moon eyeshadow. When I started, it was still in its Bare Minerals container with the sifter and everything. It was loose. And I had it like that for a few months, and then I just kind of got it in my head, put it in, press it in the pan so you can actually see your progress. So I did that a while back, and I chose it because it's like the same color as her beautiful blue eyes. So I pressed it into this pan right here, and I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. You can barely see in the center. There is some pan there. And I'm kind of excited because as much as I love Liz and everything else, I do not like light blue eyeshadow on me. I just don't do it. I've been finding ways to kind of tie it in with my greens and some other colors, and I'm okay with it like that. But I would rather have like a navy blue or a royal blue or something. There's something about baby blue that I just don't think it looks good on me. I don't know. It's just me, I guess. But I'll be happy when that is gone. For Dana, my girl, eyeshadow junkie at heart. Amanda and Dana, I literally talk to every single day. They're my girls. I put in this Urban Decay Vice Special Effects in Regulate. It is a, I guess it's technically a lip topper. I use it on my eyes sometimes. That is not what I have on my eyes today. This is a ColourPop glitter gel in, I think, After Party. But yeah, I've actually started using this on my lips a little bit, and the windowing is getting a little bit bigger. I don't know if you guys are going to see that because my viewfinder is so tiny, I can't tell what you guys can see and what you can't. But I do have some decent windowing in here. I almost want to like pop the stopper and like push it down or something with my like little spatula because I don't know, it's not pretty visual progress. I can't really see like good progress. I'm going to try to dedicate a little bit more time to that in the coming month. Next is for Alex Alejandra Lisette. She's the queen of lip liner. I'm not even a princess of lip liner. I am barely passable at it, but I'm making fairly good progress on this Revlon Time Liner in Very Mauve. I've got all of my lines right here. Let me show you what it looks like. I definitely have some progress on this, and I'm not mad at it. Here, where my fingers are my progress lines. I'm sure it's not lining up correctly because, you know, it's very awkward to hold it like this. I feel like if, this is a big if here, if I could really dedicate myself to using this in the next month, I might be able to have it finished. And the reason I say that is because when I sharpened it, the product actually pulled out. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if that's all that's left of it. There might be some more down in there, but if that's all that's left, I should be able to get that done in the next month. Just popped it right back in there. So we'll see once it gets down to that point. If there's anything below that, I can't tell how far that goes down in there. Sometimes there's like the wax stoppers down there. Sometimes there's more product. I just don't know. But if that's all that's left, I think I can have that done by the next update. I'm going to work really hard on that one. For Nona, my so-called life, I cannot talk. I have the Palooza pressed glitter from the ColourPop Honey palette. I might have used this once since the last update. I don't know why. As much as I love yellow, I have not been feeling it in the past month or so, almost month and a half. And I really like yellows a whole lot. I don't know if it's because it's so cold and it's a lovely warm color and I don't know. I don't know what it is. I just have not been reaching for it, but I have a feeling when I get to that feeling again, it's going to go a lot quicker. I don't know. I don't consciously seasonally pan things, but I think subconsciously I do. That's just the way it goes. For Amber F, because she is the Pan That Palette queen, and she panned like naked palettes. That's her thing. I put in, I think this is Tease from the Naked 2 palette, and I have used a tiny little bit out of it. I have not prioritized this. I actually did scrape the tiniest little bit out of this, like just tiniest little bit, and I frankened it with something else. That part of the franken is completely done, so what's gone is actually gone and done, but I just haven't prioritized this one because I'm working on a brown in my Pan That palette, and my Pan That palette, of course, because there is a time constraint on that, I have chosen to prioritize that one. This one will get done, and I am trying to finish it, not just hit pan. For Claire Elizabeth is her channel. Coastal Scents Hot Pot. This is light pink. I was hoping to hit side pan, but I didn't get there. I didn't quite get there, but I'm enjoying it. I am not mad at it. I'm just going to keep plugging away at it, and if it hangs out for a little bit, I'm okay with that too. I am getting to the point, though, where I may end up having to repress this if it gets like too narrow on that one side, because it's harder to use like a nice brush with that one. So, and I don't want to mess up my brushes. Next to last is for Rebecca Panning and Stuff. She is panning stuff on Instagram as well as YouTube. She is a lip product queen. She really is. Oh, there's a lot of queens in here. And these people I've been following for quite a long time. And they're all good at what they do. And I chose a potted lipstick from the Jane Iredale palette because she's just good with lip products. I have slightly expanded the pan on this one. And I'm just going to keep going with it. I actually think this pairs really nicely with this lip liner, so maybe I can focus on both of those in this coming month. All right, and the last one is the one I just put in last update for Emily from Emily and Max. She does a lot of using up her non-cruelty free stuff so that she has like a dedicated cruelty free collection, and I chose something that was not cruelty free. This is the Exuviance Performance Peel. I am a slacker. I have not used this at all. This is something I probably should use like every 4 weeks. No, once a week. And I didn't use it at all. I'm not going to pan it if I don't actually use it. So I need to get on that. All right. I do have one person that I'm going to roll in. This is someone that I watch religiously. I pretty much watch every one of her videos as long as my life hasn't turned completely upside down with, you know, the home life or whatever. I don't get to comment on all of her videos, but I watch like 99% of them, and that is Dani. She is my girl. She is blowing it up with her eyeshadows. Like, she amazes me how fast she can hit pan in an eyeshadow. It blows me away. I think if she truly dedicated to finishing eyeshadows, which I understand why she doesn't because she has so much, I think she could run circles around me as far as panning. I really believe that. So, she has, well, in the beginning when she started Mission 100% Cruelty Free Project Pan, she was doing all of her non-cruelty free eyeshadows to hit pan on them, and she started with all of her Morphe palettes. So I'm going back to when she was doing that, which she's kind of changed it up since then, but that will always stick in my mind, how she was hitting pan on all these eyeshadows from her Morphe palettes. So I have chosen a depotted eyeshadow from a Morphe palette, the original Jaclyn Hill palette, and I really don't remember what this one's called. It's the purple one, obviously, because you can see that it's purple. I want to hit pan in this for her, and just because that's how she was doing it, and that's what it reminds me of. And she does these beautiful, beautiful colored looks for her eyes. Her eyes always look absolutely amazing. I can't say enough. If you have not checked out her channel, what you doing? You should be watching her, and you should be watching everyone or checking out everyone on Instagram that is in this group because they're awesome. They really are. So, yeah, definitely go check out Dani since she's the new roll-in. Check out everyone else, and you know, if you guys have any other panners that you want me to check out, I love panning. I absolutely love panning. I love watching panners, and I think this project in and of itself is amazing because it builds our community, and we get to find new people, and you know, and just enjoy each other, and keep building this community up. Because really, if you think about it, the panning community is absolute best community as far as I'm concerned on YouTube. It really is. I put it out there. I believe that. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.